Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. Today I'm going to talk about why I entered SMRT in the first place and why I set stop loss and why my stop loss was broken. Alright. Next I want to do a lot of technical analysis on a lot of stocks I've been following, and I will show you why I follow those stocks and the setups. Let's dive right into it. So SMRT, if you all follow me on stock twists, I've been spamming this stock like crazy, just because for one sole reason I've been following this setup of this consolidation of this wedge. It's about to be at its apex. As you can see, last week of super bullish because it closed the doji. All I knew was a confirmation this week, but unfortunately it's confirmed me to the downside. It broke this really important support line of mine, and I just set a stop loss right under it and move on. And if you guys can take away anything from this video, I want you guys to take away this. If you guys want to be successful, if you guys want to become profitable in the stock market, you need to be very self-disciplined in your stop loss. Either you have a mental stop loss or you set a stop loss. You need to obey it. You just need to set it. If your stop loss to always hit, learn how to set it at better price. But it's essential. Why? It's because even if I win 50% of my trades, just 50%, I'm still profitable. For example, I lose 4% on SMRT, but I gain back 17% on MVCN, 30% on SLRL, 25% on ACRX, and so on. So cut your losses really short. I want you guys to lose when you set a stop loss. I want you guys to set you want to lose between 1 to 3%. Sometimes I set above it because my win, I want to win 25%. It's cool if I risk 4% to win 25%. So y'all want to win bigger than how much you're gonna lose. All right. For example, I know a lot of traders that can predict 60% of the time right, but they always lose because they end up blowing their account by holding a stock way too long and end up holding it, become a back holder and blow your account. That's the easiest way a beginner blows their account. They become a back holder and then they're useless because they don't have that cash to buy other stocks to make money, and they just hold it and hoping for it to go up, and it completely blows their account. Alright, now let's move on to the technical analysis of some of the stocks. My favorite right now is oil. You guys probably if you've seen the stock I posted. Oh man, a second. There we go. As you can see right here. Make sure you guys can see this. Alright. Here's the huge resistance line, and oil broke out of it perfectly. Let me go to the monthly, easier to see. Broke out that resistance line perfectly. Now I can anticipate that oil is going to hit $60 in the near future. So UWT, hold on to it long term. I'm loving it. Next, MVCN. Today was actually a very bullish day for MVCN. If you guys this line right here is all I want you guys to look at, is this resistance line. If you guys saw my other posts, I alerted to enter at $1.35 and I sold at $1.55 because of this resistance line. And yesterday it showed me my exit was actually a really good exit because it was very bearish close. But today, even though this candle looks bearish, if you guys look at the Heikinaushi, which is another kind of candlestick that I look for, it actually showed a very bullish day, and broke out this resistance line. And let's see, I like to use both candlesticks to see different perspective. I want to see how Monday closes, and that would definitely confirm it. AEMD. You guys saw my video yesterday. Still bullish on this stock. Let me show you why. I explained about the moving average, the sideways movement, waiting for movement to go down, break above it, sideways movement, 20-day moving average, caught up to a price, break above it, next resistance, $1.20. Alright. DMPI. I'm probably gonna change this later anyways. Alright, today closed bullish above. Let me get rid of all this damn drawing. I will show you later. Draw the support line. Bullish day. Next resistance that I see is hitting is the 50-day moving average around $1.06. Alright, that was where I was planning to sell. Probably I'm still half my position, and then the other half we'll see how the price moves. AMRS actually very bullish day. Very bullish setup as I show you guys the head and shoulder on the weekly. The inverse head and shoulder. Here's the head, here's the shoulder, here's another shoulder formation forming. As long as this resistance line is broken, let me show you. As long as these two resistance lines are broken, I see it going all the way up to the 200-day moving average, around $4.50. Around $4.50. Yep. RTTR. I entered 10,000 shares at 37 cents. Why? Let me show you why. Make it really moving average so you guys can see better. There we go. So I simply saw that broke out above this resistance line and I entered. Even though it closed a pretty bearish day. I'm gonna set my stop loss very short. As long as it broke, as soon as it break up below this support line, I'm gonna cut my loss and move on. I like to cut my loss really short, guys. And if it breaks above this resistance line, there's a chance I'm gonna make 10%. So I'm risking. Let's see if I cut my loss is 35 cents. I'm risking 3% to make 11%. SYN. For all the bullish, you guys are gonna hate me, but I'm gonna explain to you, and I hope this will be helpful for you as well. I'm actually pretty bearish on SYN, and my stop loss hit today. I entered at $8. Not $8. I entered 82 cents, 82.50, and my stop loss at 81 cents, and it was probably fine. I risked like 2 cents, and this is why I'm bearish, guys. Let me move this down. Alright, this is a long-term weekly chart, weekly time frame, and all you guys need to take a look at is this line right here. This is the resistance line. It got rejected once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. I will not be bullish until this line is broken, guys. Other than that, you guys are basically just gambling to see if this line is broken. I like to exit, and if it break above it, and then I will re-enter. That's it. But alright, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys find the information I provide was helpful, and if you guys find it valuable, feel free to hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to learn more, I wrote an ebook to teach you guys on technical analysis and also the correct way to apply it. I know a lot of people that understand technical analysis but has no idea how to apply it the correct way and what to look at. I'm really good at identifying what a trader is doing wrong, so that's why I definitely recommend doing the one-on-one session. I can help you a lot and tell you what you're doing wrong to fix it. A lot of people are trading and they have no idea what they're doing wrong, so they don't know what to improve on. So I wanted to help you guys with that. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to email me at oneandomly@gmail.com. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.